Okay, changing the fuel pump on the 1961 David Brown 880. Trying to figure out how to get that little cam in there to cooperate with the arm on the pump. And my dad, he's been around this stuff a long time, he suggested put one bolt in the pump and kind of tighten it in a bit, you know, so you still move, and then roll it down clockwise, counterclockwise, whichever way you want to go. And that should let the arm come up on the cam without binding, and then put the second bolt in and tighten it in, and it should be good. And hopefully that's how this is going to work. Probably won't see it there. Gasket's not cooperating. It's going to turn into a disaster like usual. Look them up side by side. And of course.